Unpacking Idioms. Square Things Away. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unpacking a very interesting phrase, square things away. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started. Square things away is an idiom that means to organize, arrange, or complete something thoroughly. When you square things away, you're making sure that everything is in its proper place or has been dealt with appropriately. It's often used in contexts where preparation or tidy up is involved, ensuring that no loose ends remain. The origin of square things away can be traced back to nautical terminology. In sailing, to square meant to adjust the sails so that they were aligned correctly with the wind and the ship's course. This was essential for efficient sailing. Over time, the phrase took on a broader meaning on land, signifying the act of putting things in order or settling affairs. 1. In professional contexts, you might hear it in a work setting, such as, "Let's square things away before the weekend so we can start fresh on Monday." 2. In personal tasks, it can also apply to personal organization, like, "I need to square away my desk before I start the new project." 3. In planning events, when planning events or meetings, someone might say, "We need to square away the details before we announce the date." After the meeting, I'll need some time to square away all the notes and action items. Could you help me square away the living room before our guests arrive? I'm looking forward to this vacation. I just have a few more tasks to square away at work. Understanding and using phrases like square things away can add a natural and fluent touch to your English communication. It's more than just vocabulary. It's about grasping the cultural and historical nuances that make English such a rich language. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.